check engine light came back out again. I'm gonna go ahead and change this out. How's it going, everybody? Today I got in the mail the Mopar purge valve solenoid, the original. If you go back to my videos 8 months ago, I did a video of the installation. I had a code, a P0441 I think it is, and my check engine light came on, and while it was on it said that it was a purge valve. So gotta get, like I was saying, 8 months ago I installed a purge valve solenoid and a canister. You can go back and look at my videos. This is the canister I installed. I'm not sure if it's that, but my check engine light came back out again. I'm gonna go ahead and change this out. I ordered the original. Don't go on AutoZone like I always say. Get the original. 8 months ago I bought the Dorman, and I had to end up getting the original Mopar, and see if this is what causes the issue. You can see it tells you which one's the top, which one's the bottom. Let's see if there's a difference between this one and the one. Take it off. It's very simple. As you can see here, the two hoses are here. There's a plug that goes right here. Two hoses are here, and the plug. Where'd the plug go? Where'd it go? Hello. Here we go. And the plug's right here. And that's it. Install it. Slide it right back in here. And that's it. You're done. Oops, upside down. And voila. And that should fix the problem. So we are done. If you'd like to know where I purchased it, let me know and I'll put it up in the description. Plugs are in, plug is in there, hoses are in. That's it. Simple 5-minute job. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video.